Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You want to get Copilot into your Microsoft 365 workflow, but you are not sure where to start. The answer depends on which version of Microsoft 365 you have. There is a big difference between the consumer and business versions, so this guide covers both. First and first, we're gonna go and talk about consumer users. It's either for personal or family. If you have a personal or family Microsoft 365 subscription, Copilot is not included by default. You need to add the Copilot Pro add-on by going to the Microsoft Copilot Pro page and start a free trial or even purchase the subscription. Then sign in with the same Microsoft account linked to your Microsoft 365 subscription. Once subscribed, Copilot will appear in Word, Excel, and even PowerPoint on the web and desktop after you update Office and refresh your license. For business users or Microsoft 365 for business. If you have a business account, Copilot is a separate add-on license that your IT admin must purchase and assign. So have your admin go to the Microsoft Admin Center at admin.microsoft.com, navigate to Billing, Purchase Services, and look for Copilot for Microsoft 365, start a trial or purchase a license, then assign the license to your account in Users, then Active Users. You can also use the standard Copilot app, and that's the whole idea. All you have to do now is enable the connected experiences, then refresh and restore. So, thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next video.